Have you ever noticed how negative thoughts can easily spiral? One doubt leads to another, creating a cycle of scarcity and lack. But what if we could harness the power of our thoughts to attract abundance instead? Positive affirmations, when practiced daily, have the incredible ability to transform our lives. By consciously choosing empowering beliefs, we shift our energy, attracting opportunities and experiences that align with our desires. Imagine a life where you wake up feeling abundant, grateful, and capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Affirmations help us tap into this limitless potential within. They are not just wishful thinking, they are powerful declarations that reprogram our subconscious mind, replacing limiting beliefs with those that serve our highest good. It's about shifting from a mindset of I can't to one of I am and I will. Affirmations are like seeds planted in the fertile ground of our subconscious. With consistent nurturing, they take root and blossom into our reality. Just as a gardener tends to their garden, we must cultivate positive thoughts and beliefs, allowing them to flourish and bear the fruits of abundance in all areas of our lives. Our subconscious mind is a powerful force, constantly shaping our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. It operates based on the information we feed it, whether positive or negative. When we repeat affirmations, we are essentially reprogramming our subconscious mind, replacing old, limiting beliefs with new, empowering ones. Neuroscience supports this concept. Studies have shown that repetitive thinking strengthens neural pathways in the brain. By consistently focusing on positive affirmations, we create new neural connections that support our desired outcomes. Our thoughts are energy, and energy flows where attention goes. By directing our attention towards abundance, we align ourselves with its frequency, making it easier to manifest in our lives. Affirmations work by influencing our reticular activating system, RAS, a network of neurons in our brainstem that filters incoming information. When we program our RAS with specific affirmations, it becomes more likely to notice opportunities and resources that align with those affirmations. We start seeing the world through a lens of abundance, attracting more of what we desire. Countless individuals have experienced remarkable transformations in their lives through the power of affirmations. One such story is that of Jim Carrey, who, early in his career, wrote himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered. He carried this check with him everywhere as a constant reminder of his goal. Years later, he achieved that exact amount for his role in Dumb and Dumber. Oprah Winfrey, a renowned advocate for the power of positive thinking, often shares how affirmations helped her overcome adversity and achieve phenomenal success. She emphasizes the importance of believing in your dreams and visualizing your desired outcomes. These stories are not isolated incidents. They exemplify the universal principle that our thoughts create our reality. By shifting our internal dialogue from one of lack to one of abundance, we open ourselves up to receiving the infinite possibilities that the universe has to offer. Crafting your personal affirmations for prosperity. Creating effective affirmations is a deeply personal process. The most powerful affirmations are those that resonate with your deepest desires and beliefs. Start by identifying the areas of your life where you want to experience more abundance. When crafting your affirmations, use the present tense as if you are already living your desired reality. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be financially free," affirm, "I am a money magnet, attracting abundance into my life with ease and grace." Make your affirmations specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART. For instance, instead of saying, "I am attracting more clients," try, "I am attracting 5 new high-paying clients within the next month." This specificity gives your subconscious mind a clear target to work towards. Creating a life of abundance. It starts with you. Integrating affirmations into your daily routine is crucial for their effectiveness. Start by setting aside a specific time each day dedicated to affirming your desired reality. This could be first thing in the morning, before bed, or even during your lunch break. Find a quiet space where you can relax and focus without distractions. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and repeat your affirmations with conviction and feeling. Visualize yourself living in alignment with your affirmations, feeling the emotions of joy, gratitude, and fulfillment. In addition to reciting your affirmations, surround yourself with positive reminders. Create a vision board, write affirmations on sticky notes and place them around your home or office, or listen to audio affirmations throughout the day. The key is to immerse yourself in an environment that supports your desired reality. Embrace the journey. Consistency is key. Remember that transformation takes time and consistent effort. Just as a seed needs time to sprout and grow, your affirmations need time to take root and manifest in your life. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. It's normal to experience doubts or resistance along the way. Our minds are conditioned to focus on the familiar, even if it's not serving us. When negative thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently redirect your focus back to your affirmations. Commit to repeating your affirmations for at least 21 days to create lasting change. This consistent repetition helps rewire your subconscious mind and align your energy with your desired outcomes. Celebrate your progress along the way and focus on the positive shifts you experience. The more you embody the energy of abundance, the more effortlessly it will flow into your life.